Hi, this is Dyslexic Genius Brett Hurt here. My phone number is 864-236-1680. This is my B80 motor, but this works on any phonograph. I've installed the spring barrel, I've installed the governor, I've got everything here. These machines have a pulley here, but we'll just call this a spindle where the turntable goes. What you don't want to do is crank this baby all the way up and then see if it runs. What you want to do is do a couple of cranks. The other thing is, you'll notice this shaft is longer. That's because this one I cut off because the speed control here was rusted on and I couldn't get it off and get the motor out without ruining the cabinet, and I've re-nickeled this. So later I will take this down. You can see where I pinned it and welded it, brazed it together so it'll never come apart. So what you want to do, you want to be able to touch your governor. You want to go, that's about 3 turns. Oh, and it runs. Now I'm going to show you something. I haven't greased anything. I've oiled all the bearings, but I haven't greased this or this yet because I want to hear it. But on the Edison machines, especially, you have this screw back here. Now, remember I talked about this? We're going to screw that in, and it just stopped the phonograph. So we're going to crank this out a little bit. I have to adjust the speed, but that's running. You can see how everything's running, and you're going, okay, this is working. All right, you want to make sure that it winds down, there's no pressure on the spring. Now what I'll do is I'll grease these, check everything a little more, tighten this screw up, and everything will be good. This isn't complicated, but on a fresh new motor, you've rebuilt the thing. You do not want to crank it up all the way. No. You want it to go, 3 or 4 turns, and it should start right up like that. This isn't complicated. And this is my tip for the day.